Okay, ready? 1, 2. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I'm getting all hyped up. Why am I hyping myself up? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hi everyone, my name is MaKayla MaShelle. If you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video, I wanted to come on here and share with you guys my like 5-minute summer go-to wig. And I wanted to show y'all how I install it in literally like, well, I don't really know how long it takes me. I'm gonna time myself today, but it's only like 5-10 minutes. Whatever the video title says is how long it takes me, unless I decide to, you know, embellish the truth just a little bit. But y'all will know in this video, it literally takes 0.25 seconds. So anyways, you're gonna probably like, MaKayla, what is a 5-minute summer go-to wig? Well, in the summertime, you know, it's hot, for one. But two, your friends love to hit you up at the last minute, like, girl, let's go here, let's go to the beach, let's go to Six Flags, let's go boom boom boom, let's go to the mall, let's go boom boom. I mean, that's not happening right now because, you know, COVID, you know, a lockdown. So okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to go ahead and install this wig, and I'm going to time myself while I install it. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take all this stuff off of my head because look, I can't cheat myself. I need to get all the time I can have. So y'all, all I have in my head is just some little 4 braids, you know. They're already fuzzy because I've installed this wig like several times already. I do not keep my wigs installed like all the for days. That just doesn't work for me. I at the most will keep my wig on for like 2 days. After that, get this off of me. The wig I'm gonna be installing is a closure wig, so because of that, I'm not gonna push my edges back on the side. Anywho, I feel like I'm talking mad fast, like, but this is how I normally talk, but like for camera I try to like slow it down, whatever. The unit. So you guys, this is the unit. I made this unit actually myself, but all of the hair was sent to me from Julia Hair, so shout out to them. All the links and everything like that will be in the description box as always. But I made this unit myself, and it is a closure unit on a spandex cap. Y'all, I actually made this using the hot glue gun method because I was feeling really lazy. I'm just gonna be honest. Not the hot glue gun method. What is this? What is this stuff called? Hair glue method. Hair glue method. And it, girl, I've washed this unit, all that, and it's still intact, okay? Oh my gosh, y'all, I forgot to start the timer. Okay, look, I'm gonna start it right now. How much time? Oh my gosh, I've already been recording for 5 minutes. Okay, so we gonna start the timer. Wait, no, the stopwatch right now. And boom. Okay, wait, I'm nervous, y'all. Okay, wait, let me show you guys that I'm starting it. And yes, my phone is broken, don't look at that. But okay, ready? 1, 2. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I'm getting all hyped up. Why am I hyping myself up? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. All right, I'm not even gonna rush though, because I know when I actually do this, I really don't be like rushing like that, so I'm not gonna rush too much. Okay, so I'm actually, normally I don't have to do this because I don't wash my wig every time in between, but I rinsed it off because it just, I don't know, I did. So I'm gonna just add just a little bit of color to the lace because, I don't know, it's looking a little gray, you know. I like a little brown tint to it. And honestly, you guys, depending on where I'm going, this might be the whole install, and that's at 1 minute and 27 seconds, period. I mean, like, I would obviously style my hair, because this is a, if you make a closure wig good enough, you guys, you do not have to glue it down. Now I will be, because I did not make this wig the best, but if you make it perfect, y'all, I promise you, you do not have to put no glue, no nothing on your unit. So I'm just gonna literally spray it just like that. I feel like I'm talking a lot, but like I feel like we should be able to take some time off of me because I have been talking and stuff like that, and normally I don't be doing all the talking. Okay, literally it doesn't have to take long to dry. And then after I do that is when it's time for me to do my baby hairs, but I'm just gonna make sure that the hair is like going how I want it to. Y'all, look how far back my wig cap pushed. I told y'all it was gonna push back. I didn't think it was gonna push back that far. Normally I would like take it off and redo it. We're not doing that today. It's not that deep. It ain't that deep. because I'm literally only installing this for y'all. Yeah, we have 4 minutes and 26 seconds. All right. I don't want to rush this just so I can get under 5 minutes, but like I also really do want to get under 5 minutes. All right. Stop at 4:41. Okay, you know what? Actually, let me let it keep going because this ain't dry. But technically, I'm done. Okay. But I'm not even gonna be janky like that. I'm gonna really hit y'all with a good install. So I'm gonna let it keep going. But technically, it's still done. Okay guys, so the install is all done and it has went 5 minutes and 32 seconds. Now yes, my hair still needs to be done, but the install was done in under 5 minutes. So technically, well, I mean, the install was done like in 5 minutes, a little bit over 5 minutes. Y'all get the point. So now I'm going to just style my hair because y'all, normally I don't have to style this unit every single day or like every single time I reinstall it. But what I did was when I took it off, you guys, I literally took it off while I was watching TV with my family. I literally just slid this baby off because I did not glue it down the last time I wore it. And I had it in a ponytail and I just left it, and so it looks like this, okay? But normally I really don't have to do it every single time. That's what I do love about these curls. Do I want to use my expensive products? No. So I'm literally just gonna use a little bit of this Suave Professionals Nourish and Strengthen Leave-In Conditioner. I'll leave a link to it in the description box if y'all are really that interested. I'm sure you're probably like, girl, it's just a leave-in conditioner by Suave, but I'll leave it for you. So I'm just gonna wet my hair, apply this product, let it dry, whoop-de-whoop, and that's gonna be it, okay?
If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier.
All right, and then right here, I'm literally just applying a little bit of Eco Styler. I like the front of my hair, especially when it's curly, to like lift up like this. It frames my hair, my face so much better because that is what my real hair does. Like, my real hair really doesn't. I found that like why I hate fake hair on me is because it looks like it's just pew, and I never wear my real hair like that. So just a pro tip, if you're somebody that has a head kind of like mine, a little fat head, make sure like your hair isn't like completely falling directly on your face, or at least, I mean, that's what I do. If you want to be like me, which y'all probably like, girl, I don't really want to be like you, but if you want your hair to kind of look like mine, that is what I do. So yeah, a lot of the times I do that to my hair. I'm gonna just apply just a little bit of the Eco Styler with the leave-in on the top of my head. So that is it, y'all. This is the install. This is the finished look. I know my hair isn't completely dry, but because it's so hot outside where I live, and because I literally only like touched up the top few pieces, I'm just gonna let them air dry. I'm not gonna blow dry. I'm not doing all that. It's hot, girl. I'm not turning on a blow dryer. It's 90 degrees. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at MaKayla MaShelle. Also, you guys, I know I normally don't do it in this order, but also, you guys, please be sure to check out other videos on my channel. I have lots of more hair videos, weight loss content, food content, chit chat content, lots of different stuff, so you guys can see some of the playlists here. Also, a lot of things will be linked in the description box as always. So yeah, last but not least, let me say thank you to Julia Hair for sending me this hair, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Alrighty guys, bye. Woo woo, sugar honey. Woo woo, woo woo, sugar honey. Woo woo. Oh, walk a mile in these Louboutins. I'm pretty sure Iggy Azalea says that or something.